Did you know that your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can show the always on display only when you actually need it? Instead of keeping it on all the time and draining your battery, let me show you how to schedule it perfectly to match your day or night routine. Here's how you can schedule your always on display on Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Tap when to show, and then select a schedule. Tap set schedule. Now you can set your start and end time based on when you want AOD to appear. For example, from 7 AM to 10 PM. Tap Done button to save the schedule. That's it. Now your screen will only show essential info like time, battery, and notification during your preferred hours. In this case, from 7 AM to 10 PM. Given to the function, scheduling always on display helps you save battery while still keeping important info glanceable during your active hours. It's smart, subtle, and just makes your S25 Ultra even more efficient. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.